Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming where you are working and what permissions you have. Open your repo locally, then run git remote v to see the current origin URL. If you need SSH versus HTTPS, decide now because the syntax differs. Once done, verify you can push by fetching and pulling to ensure no pending merges. Make sure you have the new repository link copied. You will swap the remote directly, so having it ready prevents mistakes and speeds the process. You will now change the remote pointer. If replacing the origin, run git remote seturl origin followed by the new URL. This updates the link without altering branches. Alternatively, add a named remote if you want to keep the old link for fallback. After updating, check with git remote v to confirm both fetch and push URLs. To be safe, run a git push dry run or push a trivial branch to validate authentication and permissions before proceeding with critical changes. You finish by validating that the change works in practice. Push a small commit or tag to the updated remote and confirm your continuous integration or webhooks are still pointing correctly. Once the push succeeds, update any documentation or collaborator instructions referencing the old link. If you run into authentication errors, clear stored credentials, or reconfigure your SSH keys or personal access token, then try again. If branches are missing, fetch and set upstream branches to avoid accidental divergence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.